Hello students, I am Nehal Sir, your MS faculty. Today we continue the chapter number 7. At the few days ago, we start the first part we posted, and then after the part 2. But we covered all the topics, okay, in the previous lecture also. So first of the factorial notation. Okay, so factorial notation. Okay, factorial notation. So simple, let n be a positive integer then continued product of first and natural numbers is called factorial. Factorial n, right? It is denoted by n factorial और ऐसे भी लिखा जाता है n factorial. Okay. Also we define 0 factorial is equal to 1, right? When n is negative or the fraction n factorial, okay, is not defined. So n factorial is equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, okay, up to now soon 3 into 2 into 1, right? So this is the factorial. So we start some examples. Okay, the 6 factorial, that means, okay, 6 factorial. So 6 minus 1, 6 minus 2, 3 to 1 up to. So it's very simple. 6 factorial, so 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So is equal to how much? Multiply, then you got the 72, right? Okay, now suppose 3 factorial. So 3 into 2 into 1. So you got 6, right? Then after 1 factorial. So only 1, right? And 0 factorial, that means 0. Okay, now deduction. N factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, n minus 2 factorial you can return it very easily. Okay, so simple, n factorial, that means n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. Okay, plus up to now soon 3 into 2 into 1, right? Okay, no problems. That this is the numbers n, okay, into I take bracket for these terms n minus 1, okay, into n minus 2 plus up to now soon up to 3 into 2 into 1, right? So here is equal to n, so you n minus 1, so here n minus 1 factorial. तो आप कोई भी ऐसे टर्म्स को कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 फैक्टोरियल मतलब 5 इंटू 4 फैक्टोरियल भी लिख सकते हो, राइट? या फिर 5 इंटू 4 इज इंटू 3 फैक्टोरियल ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, राइट? अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. 1 फैक्टोरियल इज इक्वल टू 1 क्रॉस 0 फैक्टोरियल. ओके, so imply that you know that 0 factorial, that means क्या हो गया 1. Got it? Okay. Now we compute some examples. Another number 2. So compute first 8 factorial, 4 factorial into 3 factorial. Number 2, 30 factorial upon 28 factorial. 3. So LCM of the 4 factorial, 5 factorial, comma, and 6 factorial, right? Just check this, all the sum. So let's start. So here 8 factorial, 4 factorial into 3. First answer. Solution of 1. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, right? I can use 4 factorial, 3 factorial, yani 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial directly cancel, 2 3s are 6 also cancel. So 5s are 40 and 40. So you got the 280 answer. So clear? It is very easy to solve this. Now number 2. So number 2, that means 30 factorial upon 28 factorial. So again use the simple 30, 29 into 28 factorial upon again 28 factorial. You cut it, you got 30 into 29. So the answer is equal to, we cancel this, so 870. So now third one. So third one is LCM of 4 factorial, 5 factorial, comma 6 factorial, right? Okay, so check it. 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 6 4 are 24, right? So 24, that means 2 cube into 3, 8 3 are 24. 5 factorial, so 5 into 4 factorial, right? So 2 cube into 3 and into 5, right? Okay, again 6 factorial is equal to 6 factorial. So 6 factorial, that means 6 into 5 factorial. So 6. So 2 into 3 6 into 5 into 2 cube and into 3. So you can written here 2 raised to 4 into 3 square into 5, right? Okay, now LCM, maximum. So LCM of all three terms here is equal to maximum of power 2 4, maximum of power 3 2, and 5 1. So multiply it 16, 9 into 45. So 180 and 9. So 720 is a total answer, right? LCM of this. Okay, so explanation is very easy for these terms. Okay, now find n. Okay, if first n plus 1 factorial is equal to 12 into n minus 1 factorial. Number 2, 1 upon 9 factorial plus 1 upon 10 factorial is equal to n upon 11 factorial. Okay, so now solution of 1 n plus 1 factorial is equal to 12 n minus 1 factorial. n plus 1 into n. ओके, जहाँ तक जरूरत है वहां तक आप ले जा सकते हो फैक्टोरियल को. सो n माइनस 1 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 12 इंटू n माइनस 1 फैक्टोरियल. दोनों तरफ से n माइनस 1 फैक्टोरियल कैंसिल हो गया. यू हैव ओनली द n प्लस 1 इंटू n, दो 2 फैक्टर्स. तो 12 के ऐसे कंज्यूगेटिव 4 फैक्टर कितने हो जाएंगे? 4 3 2. देन कंपेयर इट, तो n इज इक्वल टू 3. इट इज अ वेरी इजीएस्ट पैटर्न. अगर आप मैथ नेगेटिव आप नहीं ले सकते, फैक्टराइजेशन कर लोगे तो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ नंबर 2. ओके, सो नंबर 2 इज अ 1/9 factorial plus 1/10 factorial is equal to n/11 factorial. So 1/9 factorial as it is plus 1/10 into 9 factorial is equal to n. 11 into 10 into 9 factorial. सब में से 1 upon 9 factorial कॉमन निकाल दो, राइट? तो क्या हो जाएगा? कट हो जाएगा. और यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? 1 upon 1/10 इंटू ब्रैकेट यहाँ पे n by 110 इंटू 1/9 फैक्टोरियल. कट हो गया. यहाँ पे LCM, so 11/10 is equal to n upon 110. So implies that n is equal to 11 into 110 divided by 10. So you got 121. So understand? So दोनों प्रूफ आपके लिए हो गए. नाउ एक थियरम जैसा है. चलो प्रूव दैट. जैसे आपने किया वो ये n इंटू n माइनस 1 इंटू n माइनस 2 अप टू n माइनस r प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू n फैक्टोरियल अपॉन n माइनस r फैक्टोरियल. इंडिकेशन आप कर सकते हो, राइट? ओके, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. आपके पास है n इंटू n माइनस 1 इंटू n माइनस 2 प्लस माइनस अप टू n माइनस r प्लस 1. ओके, कोई बात नहीं, ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 2 स्टेप में आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. तो डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई. ऐसा लिख सकते हो, मल्टीप्लाई multiplying n minus r factorial n minus r factorial numerator and denominator. Right? Okay. So n into n minus 1, n minus 2 plus up to now soon n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial upon नीचे n माइनस आर फैक्टोरियल. ओके, तो ये देखो n माइनस 1 अप टू n माइनस आर फैक्टोरियल. राइट, तो ये क्या हो गया, n फैक्टोरियल हो गया, n फैक्टोरियल की फॉर्मूला. सो यू पुट हियर n फैक्टोरियल अपॉन n minus r factorial. Right, this is the proof. Okay, and also it is very easy. Right. चलो क्लियर. नाउ one more example. Twelve factorial minus 10 factorial upon 9 factorial. So 12 into 11 into 10 factorial minus 10 factorial upon 9 factorial. So simple, here you common 10 factorial, so remaining term 12 into 11, so 100. Okay, 120 into 12, so 132 minus 1 upon 9 factorial. Right, so the answer is equal to 10 factorial. So 10 into 9 factorial upon 9 factorial into 131. So you got it 13 factorial. So you got 1310. Right, 9 factorial cut here and only 13. Not factorial but only 13. 131. Right, so 130. So clear. यहाँ पे आपको और एक सॉल्व करना है जो एक्सरसाइज में था. ओके, तो आपको टेक्स्ट बुक की सेकंड एक्सरसाइज समझ में आ जाएगी इतना करोगे तो. राइट, सो वी नो दैट हियर इवैल्यूएट n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay, where n is equal to 15 and r is equal to 12. Okay, तो सॉल्यूशन n की जगह पे 15 लिखोगे, r की जगह पे 12 फैक्टोरियल, n minus 12 15 minus 12 3 फैक्टोरियल. So no problem, 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 factorial, because biggest factorial in denominator 12. So 12 factorial as it is, 3 into 2 into 1, 3 factorial. 12 factorial cut. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 2 7s are, right? So okay, so 65 7s are, right? The answer is equal to 65 7s are. Right, so is equal to 455. Right, बच्चों. So is a very simple and small video. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please solve the exercise number 2. 1 ऑलरेडी हम लोग कर चुके हैं. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के लिए हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे. टिल देन एंड बाय बाय.